The celibate who has restraint and is full of love for the entire world is indeed a true bhikkhu. Dhammapad 142. Although a person may be attractively dressed, he behaves in a harmonious manner. He is tranquil, restrained, assured of liberation. He leads the religious life. He is not violent towards beings. Such a person is fully, truly an ascetic and a mendicant monk, that is bhikkhu, a Brahman. Even though adorned, if living at peace, calm, tamed, established in the holy life, for beings all laying force aside, one pure, one peaceful, a bhikkhu, a Brahman is he. Dhammapad 142. অলঙ্কট সেপি সমংসরেয়া সন্ত দন্ত নিয়ত ব্রহ্মচারী সব্যেষু ভূতেষু নিধায় দণ্ডং স ব্রাহ্মণ স সমন স ভিক্ষু। Dhammapad 142.